Let us take the problem. So in an elliptic curve E13 of 1, 1 with 2 points P310, Q97. So we should find out lambda. Here lambda is also denoted for the slope m. So instead of lambda, you may also use m here. And you should find out r is equal to p plus q, find 2p, find 3p. So let us take the first problem. Lambda, so that means there is a need of calculating slope value. Here p and q points are different. If p and q are not same, the slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So you substitute the value 7 minus 10 by 9 minus 3. So it will give minus 3 by 6. So the answer is minus 1 by 2. So I am writing minus 1 separately. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 inverse. The point should be relevant to the prime number p. So here the prime number p is 13. So you should do the modulus operations. That means that the slope value should be less than 13. That means the slope may be from 0 to 13 value. So I am writing here minus of 1 into 2 inverse. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 inverse in 13 is 7. So if you do 2 into 7, 14, 14 mod 13 will give the remainder 1. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 is 7. So instead of 2 inverse, I am substituting 7 here. So minus of 1 into 7, it is minus 7. Its equivalent value is 6. So therefore the slope is 6. So in this way only we should calculate slope first. Then take r is equal to p plus q. So can we sum up these 2 points? Yes, it is possible. The values are different. So we already calculated the slope value and only you substitute the slope value in x3 and y3. So r is equal to p plus q. So I already calculated slope value. It is 6. So x3 calculation is m squared minus x1 minus x2. Here 36 minus 3 minus 9, 36 minus 12, 24. 24 mod 13 is 11. So therefore x3 point is 11. So why I am taking a modulus operation means because the given point is EP of A comma B. So here they will give E11 of some values. So the point should be less than this 13. So that only we calculated and do modulus operation here. So y3 is equal to m of x1 minus x3 minus y1. So substitute m value as 6, x1 is 3, x3 is I already calculated the value, so I substituted here, it is 11, minus y1 value 10. So 6 of minus 8 minus 9, so 4 6 are 48, minus 48 minus 10 minus 58. So you write the 13th multiplications. So 5 13s are 65. So plus 65 minus 58 is 7. So the positive value, so y3 is 7. So this is the r is equal to p plus q points. So x3 is 11 and y3 is 7. Then if you want to find out r is equal to 2p, 2p can be rewritten as p plus p. So you should do addition operations for 2 points. Here 2 points are same. That means 3, 10 plus 3, 10. So these 2 points are same. So the slope value is different. So m is equal to 3x1 square plus a by 2y1. So here x1 is 3. A means it is given as E13 of 1, 1. So a is 1. So you substitute those values. So the answer is 28 by 20. 7 4s are 28, 5 4s are 20. So 7 into 1 by 5 is rewritten as 5 inverse. So the multiplicative inverse of 5 in Z13 is 8. That means 5 8s are 40. 40 mod 13 will give the remainder 1. So 7 into 8 it is 56. It is greater than 13. So I am doing mod operation here. So m is equal to 4. So now I am calculating m is equal to 4. You substitute these values at x3, y3. So x3 equal to m squared minus x1 minus x2. Here x1 and x2 values are same. So that is a p value. x1 is 3, y1 is 10. So you substitute these values here. 16 minus 6, it is 10. 10 is less than 13. So x3 is 10. y3 is equal to m of x1 minus x3 minus y1. So the m value is 4, x1 is 3, x3 is 10 and y1 is 10. So substitute this value, 4 7s are 28, minus 28 minus 10 minus 38, 3 13s are 39, so 39 minus 38 is 1. So r is equal to 2p, the point is 10 and 1. And the fourth calculation is r is equal to 3p. So either you should do p plus p plus p, otherwise you can rewrite this 3p as 2p plus p. So I already calculated 2p value. So the 2p value is 10, 1. And p value is already given, it is 310. So let us take these values and you substitute it as x1, y1, x2, y2. These two values are different. So we should do slope calculation. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y2 is 10, y1 is 1, x2 is 3, x1 is 10. So substitute those values, the answer is 9 by minus 7. So I am writing minus 7 at outer side. So it is 9 into 7 inverse mod 13. So multiplicative inverse of 7 in 13 is 2. That means 2 7s are 14. 14 mod 13 will give the remainder 1. So multiplicative inverse of 7 in Z13 is 2. So minus of 9 into 2 minus 18. So if you do modulus operation, 2 13s are 26. So 26 minus 18 is 8. It is less than 13. So its slope is m is equal to 8. So substitute this m is equal to 8 at x3 and y3 calculations. So the answer is m square minus x1 minus x2. Substitute those values. It is 51 mod 13. So 3 13s are 39. So 51 minus 39 is 12. So the x3 value is 12. y3 is equal to m of x1 minus x3 minus y1. So m is 8, x1 is 10, x3 is now it is calculated as 12, y1 value is 1. So 8 of minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 17. Minus 17 means 2 13s are 26, 26 minus 17 is 9. So r is equal to 3p. So the 3p value points are 12, 9. So in this way, we may able to do addition operations also in an ellipse with this given solution. Thank you.